I have my crayfish. Yes, this is my crayfish. At this point, I've blended the crayfish. I don't really like it too smooth. I'll be using black pepper because I love black pepper for my beans. This is my already sliced onion. And of course, my seasoning. I love using this particular seasoning. You can use seasoning of your choice. This is my palm oil and salt. That's all you need for your beans. This is my already picked beans. It's already picked. These 4 cups of beans actually. It will be going with plantain. This is my already sliced plantain. I love washing my beans before I start parboiling it. I will wash like twice before I start parboiling. That's exactly what I'm doing now. Before I start parboiling it, I will wash twice just to remove that dirty look. That's why I do it like that. Now I'm pouring it into my pot. It's already water in it. And I'll start parboiling it. At this point, it's ready to be parboiled. Cover and come back after some minutes to check if it is already parboiled. I will wash. That's exactly what I'm doing. I wash like 4 times. Yes, I love washing my beans very well. I wash like 4 times until the water turns white. After washing, I'll pour it into the pot. Add the quantity of water I want to add. I add water pending the quantity of beans I'm cooking. Yes, I add water to my beans pending the quantity of beans I'm cooking. As you can see, I'm done washing the beans. I'm already cooking it already, but now I'm adding my water to start cooking it. And after adding water, I'll add onion. That's my first ingredient. The reason why I'm adding onion now is to make the beans soften very fast. Onions will make the beans soften very fast. I've added my onion and I will cover and start heating it. You see, that's the work of the onion. It will make the beans to soften very, very fast. That is why I added my onion first. So if you are cooking your beans, make sure you add onions first before any other ingredients. You add, you cover, before you know it, your beans is soft. Don't forget, the beans will be going with plantain. I'm frying it already. Now I'm back to the beans. I'm adding my oil, my crayfish, my black pepper, my seasoning, my salt. At this point, I'm adding all the ingredients. Yes, all the ingredients. You know, beans doesn't require much. With your few ingredients, your beans is good to go. You don't need to start adding too much. Yes, you don't need to start adding meat, fish, all of that. Just with your crayfish, black pepper, palm oil, onion, salt, seasoning, your beans will be good to go. You don't need much. Yes, but just remember, you are supposed to add onion first, immediately after parboiling it, to soften it very fast. If you don't know this before, know it now. That's the easiest way and the fastest way to cook your beans. Now my beans is already ready. I'm stirring. This is the final stirring. Wow, I love watering this because the longer it stays, it becomes thicker. Yes. Wow, this is yummy. Wow, this is the outcome. And you see, if you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I post a video. Now please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget, subscription is free. Please support me by subscribing to this channel. As you can see, our beans is already ready. Wow, wow.